No, I cannot imagine going back to my old life. What makes me fall in love by this place is the smells, is the textures, is the colors, is the taste even. The air has a specific taste of all the flowers, fragrances and the volatile oils that are around. So it's just basically enjoying it with all the senses that I can.
This place is really special to us for several reasons. The most important thing is it's very rich in nature. It's southwest of the Iberian Peninsula and it's a sort of mixture zone with species from the rest of Europe, but also with species from Africa. And the biodiversity here is really big. It's very interesting. We have people that are interested in several different things: plants, birds, mammals. We find it all here. From my early youth, my parents always took us into nature and we've always been really enjoying nature, and later I also wanted to bring that over to other people. And here we just take the next step. We are here at Bubulcus Bolotas camping. We started this place actually not so much with the idea of having a camping, but with the idea of having a place where we could bring people back into contact with nature.
I think that our motivation to do the campground mainly came from inside first. So it was our motivation to totally change our lifestyle, to get much more into contact with nature, because that was our original idea and got lost in the daily life, and to be as sustainable as possible. So that was what we wanted.
Electricity is 100% solar here. So we have a lot of solar panels, and in the night we run on batteries. And normally, because this is a very sunny area in Europe, we have over 3,000 hours of sunshine per year. It's more than enough. Water is one of the most difficult things that we have here. You can see this is a terrain which doesn't have a natural water source. So we had to drill for water. They made a very deep borehole here, which is 312 meters deep. The amount that we can pump out is limited. Every day we can pump out a bit. And that's also one of the reasons for us that we don't accept too many guests, because then we don't manage with the quantity of water. We have another water source, which is simply rain. So from every building that we have here, we collect rain, and that's only in the winter period, because normally here between May and September it doesn't rain at all. So in that period we need water to compensate for the evaporation, for instance for the swimming pool and for the little pond that we have next to the swimming pool.
The thing is, this kind of set is actually disappearing. So you have less and less of it. My task now in terms of sustainability is less to do with the campground itself, but it uses the campground to show people what they can do. And that's actually it. Every tiny little action counts, and it's all building blocks to a much more sustainable world. So if we all do a bit, we'll get there. But so for me at the moment, it goes about spreading the message, if you want.
want to build up more an information center. We also want to start with a shop where we sell local products, products that are made in a sustainable way, maybe even some things that we make ourselves. We want to work more with schools to get the message to children. That is the main emphasis at this moment. Our previous life, you know, I've been doing some really nice things in my life as a researcher, some things that I can be proud of. I look back with pleasure, but it was something that is done. Now I'm busy with something different. And I'm not going back, no, sure.